free yoga community. Thank you for 4 years, over 200 classes, and now over 10,000 subscribers. It's time for me to continue my training as a teacher so that I can become a better guide for all of you, but I need your help. I'd like to become a certified massage therapist, but the certification process costs $9,000, and I cannot afford that on my own. I wanted to start a good old-fashioned car wash to raise the funds, but since I can't actually wash your car, instead, I thought I would offer my one-on-one sessions and downloads of my classes for a crowdfunding campaign. The first module of the certification costs $2,000, so I figured we could start there, and I'd be able to share what I learned in my schooling with all of you. If we raise more, then I'll be able to keep going. And if we don't, I'll at least have 120 hours of information that I can turn into classes. I hope you will consider supporting my campaign. And most importantly, I hope you will continue to practice, share, and create along your own path of awareness. Thank you again for making this community so incredible, and I look forward to many more adventures with you. Click here and you can go to the Indiegogo campaign.